So today, Beer Biceps aka Ranveer Alabadia posted on Twitter about the ban of Chinese apps and especially PUBG Mobile. How people should view it as how it's affecting us and what is the game's impact on normal people's life. On the other side, there are the Indian online gamers like Scout, Maxton, God Nixon, 8-Bit Thug who are basically bashing him for his statements, telling that this is bullshit and influencers should think twice before they say some things like this. Now here's my opinion about this controversy. I'll basically divide this video into three parts. The first will be a message for Ranveer Alabadia aka Beer Biceps. The second would be a message for the Indian PUBG players or the Indian online gaming community, and the third one will be a message for you guys, the normal people who plays PUBG for fun. Coming to the first part, where I'll be talking to basically Beer Biceps aka Ranveer Alabadia. Now he basically said that if you are celebrating PUBG as a personal victory, you are basically a teenager not fulfilling your potential, and life is much more than a video game. Entrepreneurs and successful people don't celebrate this unbanning of PUBG as a personal victory, and they have much more to do in their lives. Now for someone like me who have played the game and invested a lot of time into the game, if I was to look at the things he said from one point of view, I think he's absolutely 100% correct. About almost 99% of the people who plays PUBG or other video games are just playing that game for fun, to have a chill time, to escape from the hardships in the life. And if we were to look closely, it's just a mere video game. We are gaining nothing out of it. We are just wasting 5 to 6 hours of our daily time in that game, which we could have used for something better, like going to the gym or reading a book or listening to a podcast, developing our brains and skills for a better future, planning a startup, investing in relationships, basically things which matter much more than a video game. We can basically invest those 5 to 6 hours of our daily life for a better future, to lead a better life. Number two, the second message is for all the gaming content creators and the professional gamers of India and the world. Whoever we name it, Scout, Mortal, Ronnie, Cronten or Cariminati, all of them have made a career out of gaming in their lives, something which is very rare, something which about 5 in 10,000 people can do. Trust me, we all know your stories. We all are basically familiar with your stories. You guys pulled it off and made a career out of gaming in your lives and are earning in millions now. But there was a time when you guys were struggling, and let's be honest, none of your parents supported your gaming career at that point of time. And I think Ranveer is implying the same thing here. We have to understand that not everyone can pull it off like you guys did. Maybe because of their financial situation, maybe because of the bad device, bad internet, lack of willpower, lack of time management. The thing is, if you succeed, the rewards are very big. You get a hell lot of money, fame, success and whatnot. But if you fail, which is basically the case of the 98% of the people who are playing PUBG right now, the reward is good, but the regret is even worse. In your free time, if you read a book, it develops your brain. If you go to the gym, it gives you physical and mental power. And believe it or not, these things have a direct impact on your better future. If you invest your time on gaining knowledge rather than playing a video game, even if you fail to get a job at Google or Facebook, you will end up having a job at a big multinational company or creating your own startup with that knowledge. Don't get me wrong, even if you talk about gaming, it also helps you in better reflexes, decision making and also a few other things, no doubt. But at the end, if you compare both the sides, working on your deeper skills will definitely give you an upper hand in the future rather than gaming where the chances are very, very low. Number three, this is my message to the common people who plays PUBG for fun and not for earning. See, the thing is, if you are playing it for fun and limiting yourselves to 1 or 2 hours per day, provided that number one, you worked out today. Number two, you learned something new today. Number three, you planned out at least one step for your future today. Number four, you spend at least some time with your family and your loved ones today. Then you can definitely have some refreshment, because at the end we all are human beings and we need refreshments from time to time. And now to the people who are thinking of making gaming as a full-time profession and are in the struggling phase, I just say that give time to your game, no doubt, go for it. But have a backup plan that if I fail at gaming, I should have something to do in my life and feed my family. And most importantly, keep a check on your loved ones. Don't miss out on life. Thank you.